In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and remove green screen on CapCut. To get started, open your project in CapCut. If you already have a project ready, simply load it up so you can begin working right away. Starting inside your existing project helps keep your edits organized and makes it easier to place your green screen footage exactly where you want it. Next, import your green screen video and drag it onto the timeline. This is the clip that contains the subject in front of the green background. Once it's on the timeline, make sure it's in the correct position for your edit. Having the clip placed first gives you a clear view of what you'll be keying out in the next steps. Now select the video clip. This is important because CapCut needs to know which layer you want to edit. When the clip is selected, the editing controls for that specific video will appear, allowing you to access the background removal tools. From there, move over to the panel on the right side, open the video tab, and then select the Remove BG section under it. This is where CapCut places the tools related to background removal, including the chroma key feature that you'll use to remove the green screen cleanly. Once you're in that section, find chroma key and check the box next to it to enable it. After that, use the color picker, which looks like an eyedropper, and click on the green background in your video. This tells CapCut exactly which color should be removed. Try to click on a clear area of the green screen for the best results. After selecting the green color, adjust the intensity and any other available controls if needed. This helps refine the key and clean up the edges around your subject. If parts of the green remain visible, increase the setting gradually. If your subject starts to disappear or look unnatural, lower it slightly. Small adjustments usually give the best results. Next, add your replacement background video or image to a track underneath the green screen clip. This is what will appear in place of the removed green background. Make sure the new background sits on the lower track, because the keyed subject needs to remain above it in order to stay visible. Finally, resize and reposition the foreground video as needed. This helps your subject fit naturally into the new background and makes the overall composition look more polished. Take a moment to line everything up so the scene looks balanced and intentional. And that's it. You've successfully removed a green screen in CapCut and replaced it with a custom background.